Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on PEPE. Forgot to make a video on it yesterday. There also was not that much going on. We did get a rejection off of this level right here at around 13,500, 13,200. And I'm going to delete this fib, I think, because it's not that valid. Well, we'll leave it on. But we got a rejection in the weekend. We were still hoping, obviously, for a little bit of more bullish momentum. Didn't get it. Then we also broke through some minor key levels right here in the middle, around 12,500, which is also a psychological support level. So with that, we have confirmed that we are still bearish, right? There was a little bit of hope, perhaps, that when we found support here at 12,000, and we actually got a little bit of a consolidation on top of that. On the 1 hour time frame, it looks better, right? On the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we really consolidated and stopped the downtrend. On the 4 hour time frame, it was just a little bit of a consolidation, and it looks like we're going to continue the downtrend right now. So we'll talk about PEPE. I'll tell you what I expect. I have some interesting levels from which I would actually consider buying PEPE, at least on the short term, like trading. But we'll get into that as well in this video. We'll just do a full overview. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, make some profits, become a better investor with us. So right now, PEPE, the volume actually went up, but the volume was very, very low yesterday. The volume dropped down to 70 million, which I'm not sure if we've seen those volume amounts ever since the big rally we had. Now we came close the 2nd of June, so Friday I think. But apart from that, volume is slowly dropping down. It is stalling a bit, so it's stabilizing, but it's slowly dropping down. So that's an indication that hype is still being lost. But apart from that, PEPE is still being traded quite a bit. So right now the big question is, and I think the answer is yes, the big question is will we get a bearish breakout through this level right here between 12,000 and 11,500? Which is, by the way, always what I name the prices as. I think most of you understand, but it's basically what I see on TradingView, right? So that's the most easy to say. If I say 11,000, then I mean on CoinMarketCap 1,100 here at the end. But yeah, we already had technically a bearish breakout through 12,000. Luckily, we still have 11,500. But to me, it's just a matter of time before, you know, we might still get some bullish momentum from here, but it's a matter of time before we drop down below that 11,500 level. And that will drop down to this level right here at around 10,500. And I think that's actually the first opportunity. In my eyes, there are two buy opportunities for PEPE. First one is around that level, 10,500. Like if I were to trade that, just as an example, I'm not sure if I will, but then I would have my stop loss quite low. I would have to have it all the way under that 10,000 level because of the psychological strength behind that. So then I would have something like this, I think. Decent risk reward, not an amazing trade. Strong key level, not the strongest one, but you do have 10,000 as well as a psychological level. So perhaps it's better to take it a little bit lower. So overall, I think we're dropping down there. I think we'll find support there. I don't think that's the most ideal trade level. I think it's better to actually take a trade from this level right here at 8,500. Technically, that's very strong. When we broke through that level, the whole rally started. So that's really, I mean, dropping down to the level will still probably take some time unless Bitcoin crashes. But that's a level where I would seriously consider not buying PEPE for the long term. I think the market cap is still fairly high, and I don't think there's a lot of hope for PEPE in the long term to get its all-time high. But that's a great level. But like I said, as always, I will keep you updated on PEPE. For now, this is my take and my analysis. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.